Hi there, and welcome to Faasera, where smart automation meets secure data protection. In this short demo, I'll walk you through how Faasera brings flexible, real-time compliance to your cloud stack, starting with a Lambda function on AWS. But before we dive into the live example, let me quickly show you how Faasera fits into the bigger picture. While today's demo runs on AWS Lambda, Faasera is designed to be cloud agnostic. You can deploy Faasera functions as containers, Spark, or EMR jobs, or integrate them directly into data pipelines like AWS Glue, step functions, or NiFi. It's flexible by design, so you can embed compliance into any architecture without rethinking your infrastructure. Now let's talk about what powers the intelligence behind Faasera, the masking and validation rules. Faasera comes with more than 100 pre-built rules for masking, validation, and classification. These cover global regulations like GDPR, regional frameworks like CCPA, and industry-specific needs like PCI DSS and others. These rules make Faasera immediately usable in most regulatory environments, and they can be extended or customized to match your policies. Let's switch gears now and take a look at our use case. We're starting with a DynamoDB table that holds realistic-looking customer data, including names, emails, credit cards, and national IDs. Our goal is to protect this data using Faasera comply functions in just one Lambda call. Here's a quick look at the Lambda functions behind this demo. Faasera comply functions is our core compliance engine. It powers masking, profiling, and validation across all data types. Faasera mainframe functions is purpose-built for mainframe data transformation pipelines. It reads COBOL-based vSAM files and converts them into modern formats like Parquet, JSON, or Avro. Perfect for mainframe modernization scenarios. We cover that use case in a dedicated video, so be sure to check it out if you're working with mainframe systems. For DynamoDB, we have two Python-based functions. Mask DynamoDB, which triggers masking workflows using our batch API, and reset DynamoDB, which I use to remove masked fields, so the demo can be safely rerun anytime. All functions run on AWS Lambda, making them easy to deploy, scalable, and cloud native by design. Let me show you what that looks like in action. We trigger the masking Lambda using Faasera's multi-rule batch mode. This allows us to mask multiple sensitive fields in a single call and get back consistent, intelligent results. Within milliseconds, Faasera returns masked values and updates the records without altering the originals. You'll see new columns like masked given name column and masked email address column added right alongside the raw fields, so downstream systems can continue working without disruption. And when we want to reset and rerun the demo, that's just as easy. Of course, DynamoDB is just one example. Faasera integrates across the board with SDKs, plugins, REST APIs, and cloud-native connectors that work with RDS, S3, Kafka, Snowflake, BigQuery, and many others. Wherever your data lives, Faasera brings compliance directly to it. No custom rewiring, no patchwork workflows. This is just one example of Faasera in action. Masking is just the beginning. In upcoming demos, we'll walk through how profiling, validation, and synthetic data generation work the same way, automatically, intelligently, and in real time. So this is Faasera as data compliance without compromise. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.